during the initial weeks and months after birth. Babies undergo rapid development. As parents, we're keen on aiding their growth as much as we can. In this video, I'll discuss 5 common practices or items that inadvertently hinder rather than enhance your baby's development. Number 1 is incorrect baby wearing. Forward-facing baby wearing or improper positioning can strain your baby's delicate hips and spine. While baby carriers are a lifesaver for busy parents, wearing your baby incorrectly can pose risks. Instead, opt for inward-facing carriers that support the natural curvature of your baby's spine and hips, promoting healthy development. Remember, for at least the first 6 months, keep your baby close and snug against your chest in a carrier like the Solly Baby or Moby Wrap. Number 2 is developmentally inappropriate baby gear. As your baby learns to sit up, be cautious about the gear you use. Seats like the bumbo may seem convenient, but they can compromise your baby's posture and core strength. Consider alternatives like the up seat, designed with input from physical therapists to encourage proper alignment and stability. When possible, let your baby practice sitting on a soft surface like a bed or carpet to promote natural development. Third is early or excessive use of jumpers, walkers, or activity centers. While jumpers and walkers may seem entertaining, they can hinder rather than aid your baby's development. These devices don't provide the necessary support for your baby's spine and hips and may even delay their motor skill development. Instead, prioritize supervised floor time for your baby to explore and move freely, promoting essential skills like rolling, crawling, and eventually walking. Number 4 is overuse of baby mittens. Those tiny, adorable mittens may seem like a solution to prevent scratching, but they limit your baby's sensory exploration and interaction with the world. Allow your baby to use their hands freely, as is crucial for their cognitive and motor development. If necessary, trim nails gently while they're sleeping or nursing, or try using a soft nail file. Number 5 is early introduction of shoes. Contrary to popular belief, babies don't need shoes until they start walking outdoors. Restrictive footwear can impede the natural movement of your baby's feet and hinder their motor development. Whenever possible, let your baby go barefooted or opt for soft, flexible shoes like moccasins to support healthy foot development. By avoiding these common pitfalls, we can create an environment that nurtures and supports our baby's growth and development. Remember, sometimes less is more. So let's embrace simplicity and prioritize meaningful interactions that foster our baby's natural curiosity and abilities. Don't forget to hit the like button if this information was helpful, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more content like this. Thanks for joining us today. Until next time, happy parenting.